Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about trigonometric functions. This topic is under indefinite integral. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here integral of sine squared x dx. We recall our trigonometric function. So we have sine squared x is equal to half angle is 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. Okay? Then we will replace sine squared x by 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. So I have now integral, circle brackets, 1 minus cosine 2x over 2 dx. So this is equivalent to sine squared x. So need to distribute. So this will be integral of 1/2 dx and then minus. So this will be 1/2 also. Integral of cosine 2x dx. So I need to place the constant outside with integration. 1/2 integral of dx minus 1/2. Okay? So let u will be 2x. du 2 dx, divide 2 both sides. So you have now du over 2 is equals to dx. So this will be integral of cosine 2x is u times dx is du over 2. Okay, so I need to erase at the top. So I have 1 over 2 integral of dx, then minus 1 over 2. So I will place outside of the integration times 1 over 2 integral of cosine u du. So this will be 1/2. Integral of dx is x. Then this will be multiply 1, multiply also denominator. So this will be 4. Then integral of cosine u du. So let us recall the formula of integration. Okay, integral of cosine u du is equal to sine u plus c, while integral of sine u du is equals to negative cosine u plus c. Okay, so this will be 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 4. So integral of cosine u is sine u plus c. Take note, u is 2x. 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 4 sine, what is u? 2x plus c. So this is my answer, and that's all.